yung teacher niya.
Kinuha nga siya talaga eh.
It's a little pony stop toy! Oh! Wala, antok niya. Later, you discover how it will be opened. After na, you open the other gifts first.
Akin na bibigyan.
Ano ko to? I'm gonna open this one now. I'm gonna open this one now.
Okay, where did it came from?
No name.
Macy?
Ito kay Lubin.
Yeah, there's no name. But say thank you to whoever gave that to you.
Thank you.
Pakialam.
Something pink.
Pa.
Something pink. You guys,
Sige,
it's
sige, yan na.
something pink.
Makeup niya lang naman yun eh. Wow, love pa.
Oh my god!
Oh, different hairpins. Wow.
That's so cool.
To whoever gave this, thank you. There's no name eh. There's no name.
Talagang pupumagan sila.
Oh, there's no name. There's no name.
That's it.
Sino kaya yan? Walang pang mahigit 2K din yun.
There's no name.
Now, the left.
Basta kung saan yan siya.
No, it's not the last gift. There are more here on the on the floor.
I'm gonna open this one.
Okay,
First.
who gave it? Macy? Oh, it's from your cousin, Ben and Ate Gladys and Kuya Victor Balkin.
Meron silang
Wow! Thank you, Ate Gladys.
Tita.
Tita Gladys.
Thank you, Tita Gladys.
And cousin Ben.
Thank you, Tita Gladys and Cassie.
Ben.
And Kuya Victor. Open it. Open it.
Unang birthday ni Star
I'm gonna
ni
taste for
Eli,
it.
yung video namin na-invite na kalimutan.
Oh, there's a other layer. What did they bring me?
Tanda mo si
Ay! Wow! Uy, ang ganda niyan. Earphone yan. Earphone yan na wow!
You wear it na while you're
clear.
Ang ganda niya, oh, bagay sa kanya.
Wow! Oh, just wear it na. Open your other gifts. Wear it while
Yung Bluetooth na. You wear it na while
you're opening the other gifts. Wow!
Like it.
Wow! You're gonna connect it on on your phone and then there will be a sound.
There's something. What's this?
Charger.
Put inside ng isa.
Oh, you keep that.
Keep that.
Not yung charger.
Wow, thank you, Ate Glads.
Step back. I-set mo yung charger.
Now I'm gonna open this one.
Wala.
I'm gonna open this one now.
Okay.
Okay, where did it came from? There's a name.
No. There's no name.
Macy. Oh, wala. Okay, just say thank you to whoever gave that to you. Thank you.
I don't know who gave this, but yeah.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Ay,
A bag.
A bag! And then there's something else.
ano yan?
Oh, it's a cologne. It's a pen shop cologne. Wow. Oh, there's another one. What's inside the box?
Pang kids talaga.
tayo, nagbe-video, pero parang tayo din excited, eh, no? Wala kaming ganito.
Are you okay, Papa?
Papu! Papu, help! Papu, help! Oh, you know, I can do it.
Ang bata. Ang bata.
Help na, Papu! Take a help from Papu na. So that you can, ano,
Mabalo ko siya talaga.
it will, ay, binuok niya na. Sige lang, go! Go! Cause you're happy!
Kaya daw niya eh.
Sino kung pabaya mo?
Oo, nilaba. Ang kaya lahat yan. What's that? Oh, you have different, ano na naman hair clips
And this time is a lot.
This time it's a lot. Ang dami.
This one.
Magsawa ka na kakapalit. Wow!
Hindi nga nabibisan.
Thank you to whoever gave that to Scarlett. Wala kasing pangalan. Wow, there's a lot of hair clip. Well, thank you po.
Are you happy?
Happy. And then the next gift.
This one.
Okay. Where did it came from?
Sorry, parang hindi ko ito.
Ay, kinain mo daw. Pero ko kinain. Bakit kabit mo?
Oh, there's no name again. So just say thank you. Thank you to whoever gave it. Ito ba?
Thank you. I don't know who gave it, but yeah, so thank you. Now let's go rip it open.
Oh, rip it open.
Bayan pa yun sa makdo ah.
Ano yan?
Oh, hair clip at saka bandana. Ah, hindi pang beach nga.
Sabi na eh.
Wow. You're so pretty na naman on this dress.
It.
Thank you to whoever gave this to Scarlett. Okay, last two gifts.
I'm gonna open this.
Okay.
Oh, it even has my dog.
Oh, wow. There's ano Oh, who gave that?
There's
May picture pa ni Scarlett. Oh, there's a picture of Scarlett.
Saan nung nilagyan ito?
Pinunit nila yan.
Ito, pinunot na lang. No name again. Ah, ito, teacher Cynthia.
Thank you, teacher. Yeah.
It's from your teacher Cynthia.
Pinurin talaga yun.
Thank you, teacher.
Baby, doon ano, kunin mo kayo.
Now let's go open it.
Ay, yung ganda yun. Ay, yung...
Ah, yung teacher niya.
Kinuha nga
Yung
siya
isa
talaga eh.
din
What is this?
It's a little pony stuffed toy. Oh, there's a zipper inside, Chang.
Super inside.
Chang, there's a zipper, oh. I think there's something.
Mga photo lang yun.
Look. This
Photo lang
one.
yan.
Hindi pa. Feeling ko may something yan.
Cotton.
Photo lang.
Cotton only. Oh!
Clip?
Oh!
Oo nga niya kagawa pa.
Thank you, teacher Cynthia.
Now this one
Da-
doesn't have a name.
That's the last one. That will be your last gift. May I see? There's no name.
Step ng clip niya.
Okay, say thank you again to the one who gave it.
Thank you. Oh, okay.
What's that?
Hello, pag isa kayo yung ganda niya.
Oh, black.
Proper trembling band lang.
Very good. Wow. Yung ano, yung may gagamba. Thank you. Oh, thank you to all who gave Scarlett a gift.
Thank you.
Are you happy
Yes.
on your birthday and your birthday gifts?
Yeah.
Para mas masaya sila sa
Oh.
I'm gonna play with my gifts, you guys.
Thank
Bye
you for
bye.
watching.
Thank you for watching.
Oh. What's that? What's that? What is, oh, it looks like your dress. It matches your dress. But later pa ikaw mag-play niyan ha. Open mo lang muna at set up ha. Oh, it's a bag tent. Okay, wait. It's like this, oh. You open it here like this and then spread it. Okay, can you take off everything? I will help you set it up. Wow. Is that everything?
Yeah.
Okay, let's set it up.
何时与你相识，我都值。我姓石，执笔写词犹如骏马在背。